Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a if we have a cubed minus 4 divided by 12 is equals to 5, and we solve this problem for integer values of a. Okay, so I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we move this 12 to the right hand side. It is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 5, and it will be written as a cubed minus 4 is equals to 12 multiplied by 5. And now here further in the next step we have this is a cubed minus 4 is equals to, this is 12 times of 5 becomes here 60, and further in the next step we move this minus 4 to the right hand side, and it will becomes a cubed equals to, this is minus 4, when we move it into the right hand side this will becomes here plus 4, and we get here the value of a cubed is equals to 60 plus 4 becomes here 64. And further in the next step we very well know about that 64 be the cube of 4, or in other words we write 64 is equals to 4 cubed. So we replace the 64 equals to 4 cubed, and it will be written as a cube is equals to 4 cubed. And now here further in the next step we move this 4 cubed into the left hand side, and it will becomes a cubed minus 4 cubed is equals to 0. And further in the next step here we need to use the nice algebraic cubic formula, and you also know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this cubic formula, you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So here according to this below formula we write our above term as, first you have x minus y, the value of x is a minus the value of y is 4 into x square, the value of x is a, so it will becomes a square plus this is xy, the value of a is x, and the value of y is 4 plus y square, so y is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 4a plus 16 is equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of a is equals to 4. This is our first integer solution of the given equation, and because you clearly see here a is equals to 4 and 4 is must be belongs to z. So this is our first integer solution. And now here in the next step here first we check that is this quadratic equation has integer solution or not. So for this we just need to use here the quadratic formula to find the other solutions from here. And we know about that. Here we write the coefficients of this equation for applying the quadratic formula. So first we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 16, and we state the quadratic formula as a is equals to minus b square minus square root this is minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now here we need to substitute the above values of a, b and c here. So after substituting these values we will get here our a is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 4 plus minus square root of b square, b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1, c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get our a is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of this 4 square becomes 16 minus, this will be written as 4 times of 16 divided by 2. And here we get this is minus 4 plus minus, here we need to take common 16, and when you take common 16 it will be written as 1 minus 4 and its whole square root, and it is divided by 2. And we know that the square root of 16 is equals to 4, and it will be written as minus 4 plus minus 4 times of this is 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 divided by 2. So here we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes iota. We write it as minus 4 plus minus 4 times of square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two values of a, but here you see that these two values is not belongs to integers value, because these two are complex values, so that we rejected these values of a, because we solve this problem only integer values of a, and we have the integer value of a is the only one value, and it is a is equals to 4. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.